Hello smart people, Mr. Ace here. Today is Monday, February 27, 2023. Today I'm going to walk you through Quizzette 1. Then you have about 5 to 10 minutes to do Quizzette 2. Then we're going to do the CAS Countdown Week 17, problem number 1. And after that, you're going to go to your Google Classroom, do the Transformation Project Part 3, which is about the reflection. Okay, so we almost toward to the end of this project. There's one more part and that will be it. Okay, please get it done by March 8th. Okay, March 8th. Alright, we're gonna go to Quizzette number 1. Okay, so we have 3 questions here and a x and y value table. So they all connect to one another. These are the information of the same problem. Okay, so first find slope. There's multiple ways to find slope. I think we have three different ways to find slope. So I'm gonna use the slope formula first. So you're gonna pick any 2 points from the table. Let's say I'm gonna use the first point at 216 and second point will be 414 as an example. So we have 216, 414. Or you can pick any other 2 points and then see if you get the same answer like my answer. Okay, which is supposed to be the same answer. So when you have a point, you have x and y value, right? And then we call this is x1, y1 because it's the first point in the set, and this is x2, y2 because it's the second point in the set. To find slope, you're going to use slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay. Then we plug in the information one by one. So y2, which is 4, y2 is the first 4, minus y1, y1 is 16, so that will be 4 minus 16, x2 will be 4, so x2 will be 4 minus x1 would be 2. Okay, alright, then we're going to do is work it out. 4 minus 16, that will give you negative 12. 4 minus 2, that will give you 2. Negative 12 over 2 is negative 6. So m equals to negative 6. Okay, that's it for the first problem. I hope that someone in our class do 2 different points and you're supposed to have the same answer with this negative 6. Now number 2, we're going to find the y-intercept. So we know the equation is y equal to mx plus b, which m we just solved for it earlier with this negative 6. So you're going to plug in m by negative 6. So that will be negative 6x plus b. And bring down the y. So to solve for b, you need to plug in a point. Any point in this table will work. You can use the first point, second point, third, and fourth. I'll use the first point. It looks similar enough. It looks simpler enough. 2, 16. Okay, at xy ordered pair, x and y, we don't need 1 or 2 anymore because in this case we only have x and y. So it's not important to put the order, which is the first point within the second point. So our y value is 16, so you're going to plug it in. Y value is 16. Our x value is 2, so that will go in place of x. That will be 2. Then we bring down the rest. That will be negative 6 times 2 plus b. Okay, I hope someone turn on the volume to know that this is my b, it's not the 6. Quite often that I have students mislook my b at the 6. It is b. So negative 6 times 2 is negative 12 plus b equal to 16. Continue solving for b. We're going to do is add 12 to both sides, we will have b equal to, what is it, 28. Okay, so that will be it. That's it. Okay, so now we can go back to the first column when they say the equation y equal to mx plus b. So y equal to negative 6x plus 28. Okay, and make sure the equation involve the y. Y equal to negative 6x plus 28. Later on, we're going to have a test on Friday. If you only put in negative 6x plus 28, they will say it's wrong. You need to have y in front of it. This week, our focus is IAB, Unit 3 IAB test. So we're going to review tomorrow and the following day. And then our test is going to be on Friday. Okay. Alright, number 3. So what we're doing right now is also a part of reviewing for your test. So pay attention and try your best. Please ask questions tomorrow if you don't understand this. Number 3, determine if the following order pair is a solution of the equation. So same thing. We already have the equation y equal to negative 6x plus 28, right? So this time, instead of solving for b, they ask you, is this point is a part of the solution of the equation? So all you have to do is plug them in. So same thing like you solving for b. Y value is 10. X value is 8. Okay. So we have 10 equal to negative 6 times 8 plus 28. We're going to see if the statement is true. We need to work it out. One more time, is that equal to each other? So that will be 10 equal to 6 times 8. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48 plus 28. So that will give us 10 equal to negative 20, which is wrong statement, right? So this is not true, it's false statement. So this point 8, 10 is not satisfied. It is not satisfy the equation, or it's not a solution. It is not a solution. Okay. Solution of the equation. Okay, so make sure you pay attention on what is the question about. The false statement not always go with no solution. In this case, they ask you determine whether or not this point is a solution. The answer is no, it's not a solution. Alright, so that's it for the Quizzette. Please take about 5 to 10 minutes, do Quizzette 2, day 2. It's depend on the sub. If he or she okay with you to go on the board and do this problem, you're welcome to. Otherwise, no worry. We're gonna move on to the next part, which is the CAS countdown, week 16, problem 2. Sorry, I think that's problem 2, because we did problem 1 last time. If we didn't do problem 1, no worry. When I come back tomorrow, we can do problem 1 again. Okay. For today is problem number 2.